Hello Farm Girls! So this lesson I'm going to show you the updated version on how to attach your Seam So Easy flower. So if you watched the previous video that was on this lesson, it was a little more complicated. You had to cut out the center of this flower and get it positioned just so, and it's so much easier now. So now they come pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. I went ahead and put my little stickies just on two sides of my flower. So I saved two of my stickies for later because these will get kind of linty and then they won't be so sticky anymore. So you'll want to take those off to be able to keep it sticky. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to lift your foot, make sure that's up, and then this open area is going to be sitting right around your needle plate. So where your feed dogs are, it's going to sit around that, not on it. So if your machine has any markings on it, maybe it has some markings on here where your center line is, or maybe where your 1/4 inch line is, that's a great way to be able to line this flower up and get it centered. If you don't have that, what I would do is lower your needle and see where your center is with that needle, and then just back it up carefully so that your center line is lined up with your needle, and the opening is all the way open around your feed dogs. Okay, and then just stick it down. Now, I've had so many questions about this thing. Well, what happens when I have to change my bobbin? Of course, you're going to have to take it off. That's why it's removable. I just take one side off. Oop, I kind of have to raise my needle. And then spin it around so you can change your bobbin. Okay? Easy peasy. And then you're just going to put it back on the same way. Just make it lined up with your needle and lower it down. If you are using a 1/4 inch foot, that is another way you can line it up. So this is my 1/4 inch foot. It has this guide bar on it, and it's lined up right with that line of my 1/4 inch. The majority of the time I'm using this Seam So Easy flower is for diagonals. So making half square triangles, making flying geese, things like that. I'm using this center line to help me line those up. So that is how you use the Seam So Easy flower.